Today we're going to have a quick chat about this tripod right here next to me. This tripod has been sent to me by a company called Manbily. They specialize in making tripods for cameras, rifles and all those type of things. They also make all kinds of different accessories, which I will also talk about in just a bit. Manbily was so kind to send me two of their products, one of them being this tripod and something else that I will show you in just a bit. So without further ado, let me quickly show you what this tripod is all about. So let me quickly show you some of the nice things about this tripod that I really like and what it's made of. So obviously most of the bits and pieces on this tripod are made out of aluminum or aluminium, depending on how you want to call it, plastic, and the legs are made out of 8-layer carbon fiber tubes, where the maximum tube diameter is 32 millimeters, which means it's very lightweight but still very strong. Before we get to the head, I quickly want to show you something here at the bottom. The tripod's feet can be adjusted. It currently has the rubber feet on it, but these feet can be replaced with studs. You can just undo this and put your studs in it, so when you shoot on gravel or in dirt, it will give you better stability. So far I can't really complain about what I have on here. It's working perfectly fine in the environment where I shoot, but if you wish to replace it, it comes with it. The locking mechanisms on the legs are really nice. You don't have to undo it all the way. It's just a snap and you can push it down or up and then just fasten it with an easy turn. You don't need to over tighten it as well. It's also big in diameter, which means it's much easier to work with, especially when you use gloves and stuff like that. It really makes it super nice. So let's quickly have a look at the top part of the tripod. Now I'm not 100% sure what they call these little adjustment clamps or holders, but basically when you adjust the legs outwards, you basically have to pull it out and you adjust your legs. But when you bring the legs back down, it will basically fall into place. It's spring loaded. Now it doesn't really say a lot, but let me tell you, if you forget to push that back after you adjusted your legs and you have a rifle on top here and it falls over, you're going to damage your rifle or a camera, binoculars, sporting scope, whatever the case may be. So it's really nice that they've added something that small to protect your equipment if you forget to push that adjustment thingy back into place. Having a look at the ball of the tripod, it's a bigger ball, 44 millimeters in diameter, which means it can take a much larger or heavier payload on it. Talking about payload, this is basically rated for 20 kilograms, which is quite a lot, to be honest with you. So having a bigger ball like this means that your internals inside don't need to work that hard. So when you undo your adjustment knob here on the side, you don't have to force it down and with all that weight on here, break the internals on the inside. So that is really nice. Adjusting this ball is really simple and easy, and really smooth as well. I know this tripod is fairly new, so everything will be smooth. Over time, the durability and things will tell, but I can already see the quality in this product really speaks for itself. Having a look on top of the ball, we have a Swiss Arca clamp with a quick release handle here on the side, and it can also take Picatinny as well, which is really nice. You can adjust it if you wish to do so. On the handle itself, it has a little Allen screw that goes in there, and you can adjust it so you can fasten it as tight as possible on whatever equipment you put on top here. So basically that's that about this tripod. It's really well built, and like I said, the quality really speaks for itself. But I want to show you guys if it can really take up to 20 kilograms. I don't really have anything that weighs 20 kilograms that I'm going to put on here, but what I do have is one of my air rifles that is really heavy, and then something else I want to show you Manbily also sent me and what that can do as well. So here in my hands I have my beautiful Daystate Alpha Wolf PCP air rifle. This one is converted into a tactical version. with some extra bits and pieces on it. This air rifle is really heavy, and to show you guys how heavy it is, I have a little digital scale here, and I am going to hook it over the butt here, switch it on. Just want to get a little bit closer so you guys can see. .82 kilograms. I don't know if you guys can see there. So for an air rifle, this is fairly heavy, but this is what I use every time I go out shooting with this. I have my GoPro on it, and like I said, bipods and all kinds of things. So let me show you if this can hold up. Clamp it down, and there you go. Really sturdy. And now I can enjoy my shooting a lot more. But what happens if you don't have a Swiss Arca rail on your rifle? What can you do then? Let me show you. So this is the Manbily U3 saddle, rifle saddle, and let me tell you, what a nice piece of equipment. Just as with the tripod, you can see this is premium things. It's CNC machined out of a one-piece aluminum block or aluminium block, depending on again how you want to pronounce it. It has 3 pieces to it and a big knob here on the side that you use to clamp it down. Really nice, to be honest with you. Like I said, you can see it's a premium product. On the insides we have some rubber inserts so you don't scratch your rifle, which is a really nice touch to it as well. At the bottom we have a Swiss Arca rail, so again we can clamp it down onto the ball head like so, and it won't go anywhere. So to show you how well it works, I'm going to use my varminting rifle. This is a Tikka T3X 22-250 with a large Warbird silencer in front, a Pod DS3570 scope on top, and a GRS adjustable stock. This whole setup is close to 6 kilograms, which again is not really lightweight, especially for walking around. Now I know there's other rifles that's much heavier than this, but this is what I have. I told you I don't have anything close to 20 kgs, but nevertheless, I'm going to place it inside here and clamp it down like so. You will see a little bit of wobble. Just keep in mind that we have rubber inserts here, and the GRS stock has a rubber grip as well, so it will have play but it won't fall, and it's much more comfortable to shoot. And hopefully in the future I can make some videos using this whole setup to show you guys exactly how well it works out in the field. But just to show you guys exactly what it's all about, this is what I can show you today. So just to show you guys again, this is the Manbily tripod with the saddle. Unfortunately, it's not a whole package. You have to buy them separately. Like I said in the beginning of the video, Manbily was so kind to send me both these products to review for you guys. There will be links in the video description of both of these products, so you guys can go check it out if you're interested in it. And yeah, that's basically the whole setup that I wanted to show you guys today. If you like this video and you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel if you guys do so. It boosts the videos a little bit. And if you want to see more of this and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. I'll really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.